I guess the only advice I have is just don't have this happen to you. The 1550 is 4 inches wider and a lot heavier. So you're at the edge of the plywood, and when you go to stop, the weight it's a great machine, but size and weight always come at a price for certain things. So if you're working on plywood and it gets too slippery and you're using this machine, I would recommend put sand, just open bags of play sand, and put it on the plywood to help give you a little added grip.